Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Have you ever wondered how those tiny, deep blue berries, packed with flavor and nutrition, make their way from the fields to your table? Today, we're uncovering the story behind one of the most remarkable fruit crops in modern agriculture, the blueberry. Known as nature's superfruit, blueberries are a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and precision in farming. Behind every handful of these vibrant berries lies a fascinating process, one that blends cutting-edge technology, scientific insight, and the dedication of farmers across the world. Blueberries, often called nature's tiny powerhouses, have captured the attention of farmers, scientists, and consumers worldwide. Their deep blue hue isn't just beautiful. It's a sign of rich antioxidants and vitamins that support health and longevity. Once considered a wild North American berry, blueberries are now cultivated across the globe, from the United States and Canada to Europe, South America, and even Asia. In recent years, global blueberry production has grown exponentially, increasing from around 400,000 metric tons in 2010 to over 1.8 million tons by 2024. This boom is driven by rising demand for healthy foods, combined with advanced farming methods and greenhouse technologies that allow year-round production. But behind every box of fresh blueberries lies a complex process, one that blends science, precision, and human care to create one of the world's most admired fruits. Blueberries thrive in specific soil conditions: light, acidic, and rich in organic matter. Farmers start by carefully preparing the land, adjusting the pH to between 4.5 and 5.5, ensuring nutrients are available for root absorption. Raised beds and mulch are used to retain moisture and promote drainage, while young plants are spaced to allow sunlight to reach each leaf. Farmers often use tissue-cultured seedlings for disease resistance and genetic uniformity, guaranteeing consistent yields for the years ahead. As the plants establish, drip irrigation systems provide precise watering, reducing waste and preventing root rot. Sensors buried in the soil monitor temperature and moisture levels, while drones survey plant growth and identify early stress signs. For the first 1 to 2 years, blossoms are removed to let the plants focus energy on root and canopy development. A patient but essential investment for long-term productivity and many high-tech farms. This stage resembles a laboratory as much as a field. Everything from nutrient dosing to microclimate control is monitored digitally. The result is stronger, healthier bushes ready to bear thousands of berries each season. When spring arrives, the blueberry fields transform into seas of white and pale pink blossoms. Bees and other pollinators play an irreplaceable role, carrying pollen from flower to spark the creation of each berry. Farmers often place managed beehives strategically across the fields to ensure pollination efficiency and fruit uniformity. As weeks pass, small green berries appear, gradually swelling and deepening in color. Through controlled irrigation and nutrient management, farmers guide the fruit toward optimal sweetness and texture. During this phase, protecting the crop becomes critical. Netted tunnels and greenhouse systems shield the delicate fruit from frost, birds, and sudden weather changes. Monitoring technology again proves vital. Smart cameras track color changes across the field, AI systems predict ripening windows, and precision drones provide data that helps time the harvest to perfection. Each bush, in its rhythm with nature, contributes to a harvest that's as much about observation as it is about innovation. Harvesting blueberries demands both speed and care. Handpicking remains common for premium fresh markets, where appearance and size matter most. Yet, for large-scale farms, mechanical harvesters glide between the rows, using gentle vibrations to release only the ripest berries while minimizing bruising. Within hours, Berries are transported to cooling facilities and chilled to 1 to 2 degrees Celsius to maintain firmness and freshness. Inside high-tech sorting centers, machines equipped with optical sensors, weight detectors, and air-jet systems separate berries by color, size, and quality. This process is astonishingly fast and accurate, capable of sorting thousands of berries per minute, ensuring that every pack reaching consumers is consistent and flawless. Non-premium berries are never wasted. Instead, they're directed towards secondary production lines, destined to become juice, jam, dried fruit, or frozen berries for global distribution. Blueberry processing begins right after harvest to ensure freshness and preserve nutritional value. Once collected from the fields, the berries are quickly transported to factories under cold chain systems. In the processing line, they are washed, sorted, and graded by size and ripeness using optical and mechanical sorters. Damaged or unripe fruits are removed, while high-quality berries move forward for further processing. This careful selection ensures that only the best blueberries are used for products such as frozen berries, dried fruits, juices, and jams. Among various processing methods, jam production is one of the most important and detailed stages. Fresh or frozen blueberries are poured into large stainless steel kettles, where they are mixed with sugar, pectin, and citric acid. The mixture is heated and stirred continuously under controlled temperature until it reaches the ideal thickness. Samples are tested for sweetness and texture before being filled into sterilized glass jars using automated filling machines. The jars are sealed while hot, cooled gradually, labeled, and packed for storage. This process not only ensures consistent quality, but also helps preserve the natural flavor and nutrients of the berries. Processed blueberry products have a wide range of uses in both the food and health industries. Blueberry jam, juice, and puree are key ingredients in bakery products, yogurts, smoothies, and confectionery. Dried blueberries are used in cereals and snack bars, while blueberry extracts serve the pharmaceutical and cosmetic sectors due to their rich antioxidant content. Through modern processing technology, blueberries are transformed from a fresh farm crop into a diverse range of high-value products enjoyed around the world. Once packaged, blueberries and their derivative products begin their journey around the world. Refrigerated logistics systems, often powered by renewable energy, maintain a stable cold chain from farm to retailer. Countries like the US, Peru, and Poland now lead global exports, shipping fresh and processed blueberries to markets across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Sustainability lies at the heart of this expansion. Many farms have adopted eco-friendly practices: drip irrigation, renewable power, recyclable packaging, and biological pest control, reducing the environmental footprint without compromising productivity. The blueberry, once a wild forest fruit, now symbolizes modern agriculture's balance between innovation, responsibility, and respect for nature. From the first bloom to the final harvest, the journey of blueberries reflects the harmony between technology and nature. Through innovation in precision irrigation, smart monitoring, and automated harvesting, farmers are now able to produce healthier, more sustainable fruits that reach markets around the world in perfect condition. Blueberries are more than just a delicious fruit. They are a testament to the evolution of modern farming, where data, science, and care for the environment come together to create a smarter, greener future. Each berry tells a story of dedication, precision, and progress in the world of agriculture. If you love learning about smart agriculture, innovative technology, and the beauty of nature, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to follow our next journey, from field to factory.